Hello and welcome to APC Pricer. This tutorial video will show you how to input the UB04 information in the Claim Input Worksheet to price an OPPS claim. The Claim Input Worksheet is located under the blue tab in the APC Pricer file. We highly recommend you watch the previous tutorial videos before watching this video. There is important information in those videos that will not be covered here. As you learned in previous videos, the Claim Input Worksheet has fields shaded in yellow. The yellow shaded fields are designated as input areas, which is where the information from the UB04 is entered. Also, if there is a red triangle in the upper right hand corner of the field, hover your cursor over the field to display the help note. Okay, let's get started. You will need a copy of the UB04 claim forms to be priced. If you will be pricing claims from different providers, we recommend sorting them by provider and date of service. Since each provider has a unique CCN or provider number, it is much more efficient to price each provider's claims together. First, the administrative information is entered into APC Pricer starting with the CCN or provider number. The instructions for finding the provider's CCN is in the provider list tutorial video, so we will not cover it here. Once you have found the provider's CCN from the provider list, enter it into the CCN field. Next, enter the patient's name and the patient's account number or patient control number, which is in box 3A of the UB04. Now, move the cursor to the date of service field and enter the date of service for the services. For APC Pricer, you must enter a / between the day and month. For this demonstration, we are using the 2016 APC Pricer, so we're entering a claim with a 2016 date of service. The next input field is for charge items that do not have a HCPCS code. This may include Rev Code 250 pharmacy items or other services like recovery room. Using the power of Excel, simply enter in an equal sign, then enter each non-HCPCS charge followed by a plus sign to add up the charges. You will notice that the total amount for all the non-HCPCS charges is now displayed in the field. On the next line, enter the total charges for the claim. We will not be going over the provider rates manual override feature in this video. The instructions are in a separate video specifically targeted to this feature. Now it's time to enter the charges that have a HCPCS code. Starting with the first charge on the UB04 with a HCPCS code, enter the HCPCS code, quantity or units, and the charge amount. When entering the HCPCS code, only enter the first 5 characters. Do not enter any modifiers. Notice, you must use capital letters for all characters. As I enter the charges, you will notice another feature built into APC Pricer, which is the ability to identify erroneous HCPCS codes entered. If an incorrect code is entered, an error message will appear alerting the user. Now I will enter the last few charges. Once all the charges are entered, there is one final check to make sure all the charges have been entered correctly. You will notice the green field labeled Charges Input Variance. If all the charges have been entered correctly, the field will display Charge Input is correct. If an erroneous charge amount was entered, the field will display the Charge Variance. This will let you know to review the input charge amounts and correct the error. In this case, I notice a $1 error in the 93005 HCPCS charge. Once I correct the charge input variance field now shows the charge input is correct. Well, that's it for claim input. Keep in mind, claims vary in the number of HCPCS charges, but the process is the same for all claims. After the input is complete, you can review, then print the claim output. To review the claim, simply click the green Claim Output tab located at the bottom of the file. The claim output shows the claim information, including the reimbursement for each charge along with the totals at the bottom. To return to the Claim Input worksheet, click the blue Claim Input tab. Once you have reviewed the claim output, the Claim Input worksheet includes a Quick Print button for printing the Claim Output worksheet. The Quick Print button will print to the default print method, which can be set to a printer or PDF file. The last step is to clear the worksheet so that it is ready for the next claim. Simply click the Clear Worksheet button and input data will be removed from the worksheet. Please notice that the clearing process did not remove the CCN or date of service from the worksheet. This information was not erased to allow for batch processing of claims. If you have any questions about the information covered in this video, please feel free to contact us at customerservice@apcpricer.com. Thank you for choosing APC Pricer.